Hey guys, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Sorry about moving my camera. I'm just going to share something with you that I don't typically share on my channel. This is my home bills planner, and basically it's an outdated planner. This was the inside of a cover, and I covered the other side with you know, just cardboard, whatever, cardstock. And I decorated the front in a very haphazard and silly way. And this is where I keep all of our monthly bills up to date. And so basically I took an outdated planner and I, you know, repurposed all of the dividers. This is a very mismatched, you know, planner. But I had all of the supplies, so I didn't want to buy one specifically just for doing bills. So what I've started doing is I've started making these cute little sets for paying your bills, and these are in my shop at Be Planner Happy on Etsy. And basically it's got the numbers for redating if you have to redate it. This one I had redated it ahead of time, even though I will go and use these just because it makes it look really cute. And I always have a little sidebar for like whenever I pay, you know, like on payday, I'll write down what our bank balance is, and then I will calculate which bills I'm paying that day, and I write them down here on the sidebar. So I wanted to show y'all these. It's just a quick way of, you know, doing your bill page if that's what you do, if that's how you do your bills. I don't know. And I just wanted to share with you guys. So this is the one for November. Today's November 1st, and I have to go and pay my bills, but I wanted to decorate my page first and mark down all of the things that I need to remember. So basically I keep a list of all of our bills and the day that they're due, and then I will fill in this with that. So I'm going to go, let me show y'all. So basically, if you're using an outdated planner, then you have the days, the numbers here so that you can redate it. But I'm going to go put those on and then I'll be right back. All right, look how cute that looks. Okay, so then the next thing I do is I figure out what days are paydays. I know that we definitely get paid on the 1st. And then, oh, let me go see when is the next payday. Hold on. Okay, so our other paydays are going to be the 15th and the 29th. So I like to mark those off. And then I've got, it's about 20 of these, but you know what? Let's kind of do the little sidebar first. This is cute. It says autumn right there. And then no spend November. Or actually I can put November, let's see. Does November fit here? Yeah, I'm going to put November right here. I'm just going to write November. And then I'll do monthly bills somewhere. Well, let me just do them right here. November monthly bills. Okay, and then I do like to have lines, so I think I'm going to go with, I kind of want to use him and him. Let's use these two. I'm going to put this one here, and then let's see, does this one fit? It does. Okay, so he's going to go right there, just like that. Okay, and then I've got this one. Let's just put him right here. And I like that, pay your bills. I'm going to cover up these white lines here. Whoop. Let's do like that. Pay your bills and save your money. I thought those were kind of fun. Okay, so I know I have bills, and then I have a few other decorative things here that I will add in a second. So on the 1st, I think I'm going to go with red up here. On the 1st, I have 2 bills that I pay. So I'm going to do like this. And then I will, I'll go back in and I'll write down who it is that needs to be paid. Let's see, I have a bill due on the 3rd. Let's use the orange for the next line. I have a bill due on the 3rd. So that one's going to go there. And then I've got one on the 4th. Now you can also just mix up the boxes, you know, if you want to use different colors in each box. I figured this time I'm going to go, like, I'm going to try to use the same colors on the same lines. So then I have one the 13th. So let's do the green. I've got one do the 13th. And then I've got the 17th. So that's over here. Let's do the yellow. So I've got the 17th. And then I've got the 20th and the 21st. Let's go the 20th and the 21st. And then, let's see, after that, I've got the 25th and 2 on the 26th. So the 25th, let's go back to red. Let's do the 25th and then 2 on the 26th. 1, 2, like that. And then I've got the 28th. So, oh, and I'm out of red. That's okay. I'm going to use the green. Let's use the green for the 28th. All right. Then there are some additional little boxes in case if there's something else that you want to remember and write in there. So I think I'm going to just add now a couple of these cute little trees. Let's see, I'm going to cut this off a little bit. There's a little bit of a white line there. Just to kind of dress up the page. Let's see, these are cute. Let's put these, let's put this one here. And then let's put this, these are some leaves. I'm going to put the leaves here in between those two boxes. And then I've got some of these little ones that look cute by the trees like that. And we got to have the wind blow in the same direction. Let's add a couple more of these. Let's do a little forest up here. Well, everything that was stuck to my scissors just fell off. All right, let's put these here. A few of these little small leaves flying. And let's put one more over here. Maybe here. That's cute. And then let's do one more of the leaves flying away. All right, and I still have a few decorative elements that I could use. Let's see. You know what? I probably should have put this here, but I'm going to put this on the bottom. Let's just line it and sort of frame the page a little bit. Just like that. Now this, you know, you can also just use it, not just for your bills, you can use it for your appointments and things like that. And I will be coming out with a December one. Maybe I'll come out with like 2 different versions. If y'all have any requests, if you want snowmen, I don't know, penguins, gingerbread, whatever you like, just let me know. All right, so there we go. There's my November bills page. And now I will go in and I'll write down all the bills that we have due, and I'll be able to keep track of everything and just check it off as soon as they're paid. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll check out my shop, Be Planner Happy, on Etsy.com. Bye.